In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use adjusting entries in QuickBooks. We'll walk through QuickBooks Online and use the journal report to locate and adjust the exact transactions that need attention. Start by opening QuickBooks in your browser and landing on the main dashboard. Everything we need is available from here, and we won't be changing any settings outside the report itself. Next, open Reports. Reports are your window into what's been recorded, and the journal report in particular shows every transaction in chronological order, with the debits and credits laid out side by side. It's the fastest way to spot what needs to be corrected or reclassified at period end. From the reports screen, search for or select the journal. Once it loads, you'll see lines for each transaction. Each line includes the date, transaction type, account, and the debit or credit amount. In QuickBooks, those blue amounts are interactive. When you see an amount that needs to be adjusted, maybe a misclassified expense or an accrual that should be updated, click directly on that number. You can also sort the columns to bring the most recent or largest entries to the top, making review more efficient. Clicking the number drills down to the source transaction, and QuickBooks opens it on a separate page. This view lets you review every detail tied to that journal line. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct entry by checking the date, the accounts involved, and the context provided in the description. If you're working in a closed or reconciled period, QuickBooks may warn you, which is a helpful reminder to proceed carefully and coordinate with whoever manages your books. If you're having trouble finding the right entry on the journal, use the date filter to narrow the report. Filtering by a specific month, quarter, or year cuts out the noise so you can focus only on the period you're adjusting. This is especially useful at month end when you're posting accruals, deferrals, or reclasses tied to a defined cutoff date. Setting a precise date range also helps ensure adjustments land in the correct reporting period and keeps your trial balance consistent. After reviewing the transaction on its own page and making the appropriate corrections, head back to the journal report to confirm the update is reflected exactly where you expect it. Keeping brief notes in your records about why an adjustment was made can save time during reviews and audits and helps maintain a clear trail of your decision-making. That's all there is to it. Go to QuickBooks, open Reports, select the journal, click the amount you want to adjust, review the entry on its own page, and use the date filter to zero in on the right period. Follow these steps and your adjusting entries will stay accurate, consistent, and easy to verify.